The World Bank International Organization for Standardization ISO committee has approved Zimbabwe's local currency code change from Zimbabwean dollar to Zimbabwe ZiG ZWG. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe sabina mashoko tiona kuti aiwa the Zimbabwe gold currency ZiG ichiapproviwa. A change from Zimbabwean dollar to ZiG ya approve name the World Bank. Sarabina mashoko abdasungo kwaita not the subscribe or like utina on the bell icon. Tipina manje kwa mchinzi. The ISO 4217 standard, which facilitates international trade, creates clarity and minimizes error regarding the designation of currencies. Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe RBZ's Deputy Director, Financial Markets, National Payment System and FinTech Department, Dr. Josephat Mutepa, says this is a letter dated 25 June to Bankers Association of Zimbabwe Chief Executive Fenwell Mutogo. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe advises that World Bank ISO 4217 committee has approved our request to change the Zimbabwe currency from code Zimbabwean dollar to Zimbabwe gold. Our Mure Zimbabwe, those renewal options with effective from 25 June 2024. It should be noted also that the minor units of the Zimbabwe gold shall be denominated as cents. Mutepa said. Doma shikarubuda panapa pa the news hawks pachiti aiwa paitika transition let chat ndoiri akamba ntira muri kuona video chinzi aiwa tamuva shashandisa Zimbabwean dollar takushandisa the Zimbabwe gold. Pina comment section medu mutudze mafungo enyu kuti kudi pamusoro peku approve kwezi ZiG. Pina comment section medu musana subscribe ku like channel on the bell icon.